Good day from Lamtech Oil and Gas Global Limited. I'm here today at our yard to show all our dear LPG investors the newly constructed LPG skid here in our yard and other ones that are still under construction. So come, let me show you some of the ones that are new. So this is a double 2.5 skid construction. As you can see, this is the first tank and this is the second tank. This came with two pumps. We have an each 2 horsepower stock pump and 0.75 horsepower pump, USK pump. So it came with the LPG dispenser shed. So I know some of the investors watching this would like to know the price of this skid. So slide into my DM and let's talk business. Let me show you the other ones too. So this is a single 2.5 skid construction as well coupled and well constructed. So you can see it came with an inch 2 horsepower stock pump as well, very well coupled. You can see, and we have a space for an LPG dispenser right here. So come in, let me show you another one as well. So this is a 1.5 ton skid construction as well. You can see very well coupled and well constructed. It came with a 0.75 horsepower USK pump as well. You can see the space for the LPG dispensers as well. So we have other series of tanks right here that are still under construction. So come, let's show them. These are the tanks. Show them. Do you want the LPG constructions? We have it in different sizes, and if you want a standard LPG station, we deliver according to NMDPRA standard. We construct any gas plant according to their standard. So trust us, I'm going to give you the best. Also, all our construction came with its LPG auto dispenser. So as from tomorrow, some of these newly constructed skid construction will be leaving our yard for customers' location. We have the one going to the east and we have the one going to the north. So location is never a barrier. We stick to time and we deliver all across Nigeria. So slide into my DM and let's talk business now. So at Lamtech Oil and Gas Global Limited, all our construction are top notch. It's rare to find this kind of construction anywhere. As you can see, we construct strictly with the foreign tanks, well coupled and well pressure tested, so no room for gas leakage. So we also give you 18 months warranty on all our constructions. So worry not, you are in safe hands. And to all aspiring LPG investors, do you have 7 million, 8 million or more? That's enough as a startup capital to start this lucrative and evergreen business. Just send a DM to me and I will guide you from A to Z on what to do to start this business. Start now. Invest in this business now and you thank me later.